Hi guys, so it's finally my last day here in Coorg and I just woke up a while back and yeah, have to get freshened up. I'm waiting for my roommate to get their work done. After that I'll be taking a bath. But for now I just wanted to give you a glance of the view which we have from the balcony at hostel. It's a lovely view. We have a pond just in front of it. And I've heard there are a few fishes also living in this pond. It'll be nice to explore this area. I'm also seeing this for the first time because yesterday, by the time I had a look over here, it was all pitch dark and so yeah, that's our room. This is the balcony and this is the room. These are the bunk beds. So I had taken up this one right here. The lower one, and yeah, let's just go out. So this is the lobby area, and people are just getting ready, right? It's around 10 a.m. Some cleaning is going on. Their rooms. This is the staff area, but usually people are hanging their clothes over here for the drying purpose. Yeah, I mean, so like, let's just head to the rooftop as well, so that I can give you like a glance of what is upstairs. This is the seating arrangement. We're playing like foosball and snooker as well. So my friends over here taught me how to play. It was lovely. I'm probably gonna take a few shots after this video. Wow, it's all covered with trees. Wow, it's actually really lovely. So I mean, I'm gonna just take a few shots with the snooker stick. Is that what I would call it? Yeah, and then we'll go downstairs and I'll probably try to shoot it there as well and try to grab a few people as well for the video. Hi guys, so it's around evening here in the hostel of Coorg right now, and I didn't plan on going anywhere today. We were just playing snooker and foosball and stuff like that on the rooftop, because like it was too sunny around 12 p.m. when I was just ready, had my breakfast and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a couple of friends over here and they recommended that we don't make any move right now. We'll just head to the market in the evening when things are pretty chill. I agreed to that. That's pretty much it. Before it gets dark, I just wanted to give a view of the hostel as well and the lake, because we couldn't capture it at night. So yeah. Currently we are gonna give the scooty back, and I'm with Lalit here. He's being very kind and
hey, hello.
So we are gonna plan to go to a cafe nearby which is famous for its coffee, and yeah, probably another cafe was also recommended to us. We might go there. I don't know what the plan is going to be. But yeah, Lalit has been really kind to drive me around, and he's like a big brother already. Yeah, let's see, I'll continue the vlog. Let's get there. Hi everyone, so we are at Big Cup Cafe right now, and we are here mainly for the coffee. I just wanted to give you a visual of how the cafe looks like. looks pretty chill. This part of it's good. Let's just go out once and see what's the whole place like, because it is sort of in a remote location from the actual city, and there is a resort nearby. So if I just have to give you a quick view, that's Woodstock Resort, and that's the big company. So yeah, let's just try things out and then we'll be back. Hi everyone, so it's around 5 AM right now and I'm back in Bangalore. So yeah, done with the trip finally. Coorg was a nice place, although it wasn't too touristy. Like the vibe is nice and it's a good weekend getaway. Yeah, not much now. I'm just gonna go sleep for a while. I have to attend my office also today. So yeah, Monday it is. Back to same old life.